Hello? Hello? Say hi. Don't you turn your back on me, Patricia. Stupid Patricia. What's up, YouTube? Today, we're at the farm. We're at the farm. But yeah, I haven't really made a video here yet, but I've been here multiple times. And I know, I'm sorry I haven't posted in like a freaking month. Another cow. But yeah, I've been really busy with holidays and coronavirus. Yeah, the whole freaking country's shutting down. Mazel tov. But anyway, we're just having fun out here at the farm. Yeah, there's a freaking migration going on over there. They're like a flock of fat cows. But yeah. And to make up for not posting for a really long time, this Tuesday we are gonna make bangers. We're going fishing, not over there. We're going fishing over there. It'll be fun because I learned how to edit some pretty good videos. But I think what we're gonna do today is break this cinder block because it's been sitting here for a week or like almost probably years. And we're gonna break it because why not? First we're gonna, I don't know, hit it with a stick, another rock maybe. But yeah. So, how you been doing lately? I haven't really talked to you guys since, I don't even know the last video I made. I'm trying to think of the last video. But anyway, time to pick out our weapons. Yeah, the last destruction video I made was the killing Timmy or whatever. Billy Bob filmed that video. He was my cameraman. But sadly, Billy Bob has passed. He died. He just disappeared one day. His hat on the ground. It was the saddest thing. And all of the room, the white stuff he was sleeping on was gone. I don't know where it went, but I'm sorry, Timmy. But yeah, hopefully you guys, hold on, let me make sure you guys can see this epicness of us destroying the cinder block. All right, Cinderella, that's a good name for you. Time to meet your maker, which is probably like any company that makes bricks. Anyway, ah! Ah! Ow, it keeps poking me. Ah! Jesus, it's like hollow. All right, I'm gonna like Sparta stab this thing. I'm gonna get up here. Going to climb over this mountain and hold on. Yeah. Hope this doesn't kill me. If it does, thanks for the 9 subscribers. Ah! What the frick just happened? I heard something move. Ow! I need a new freaking stick. This one keeps poking me. Yeah, Timmy won't die. That stick keeps poking my hands. Has a bunch of little spikes on it. We're gonna get a new weapon to kill Timmy. It's a beautiful day in Oklahoma. Heard about, and a little 4-year-old got coronavirus. First case of a child getting it. Oh my God. I better be fine. But yeah. Weapons. Got a whole shop to deal with, so. Hello, Mr. Deer. You didn't see anything. Neither did you. I know you're a nosy little craphead. But what weapon should I pick out? You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Oh, did they move them? Dang it. Dang it, they moved them. There was 2 sledgehammers out here. If I can find it, I'll be happy. There's an axe right there. They usually have the sledgehammer sitting right here. Where did they hide them? They're hiding them from me because I usually crush beer cans with them. But it's like taking out anger. It's fun as crap. Where are they? Tell me if you see any. There's axes. Ooh. Dang it, they moved them from me. They know that I'm... Oh, never mind. Found them. Which one should I take? Should I take little guy? Should I take big boy? That one's like almost 12, 15 pounds. It's funny. I think we'll take the little guy. I never really use him. That'll work. Oh, I just tripped. Is it still zoomed in? Nope. Alright. Let's go kill. Gonna kill this cinder block if it takes me a couple minutes. I ain't gonna waste an hour trying to kill this block. It ain't worth it. It is for the views, though. I'll call this video Killing the Cinder Block. Where should I put you children? There's a good place. Actually, well, it's kind of hard to pick a place because I'm kind of just in a pile of blocks. Here might work. And if I move the cinder block or something. Hold on, I'll come see how that is. That's perfect. I love it. All right, time to meet your maker. Again, probably like a brick company. Hello, Mr. Spider. Goodbye, Mr. Spider. That was awesome. That was cool. That was pretty cool. Anyway, well, that didn't take long. Awesome. This thing has been look at this. You can see how rusted away it is. Destroyed. Oh, that took a lot less than I thought. I thought those were going to be tougher than they looked. It would probably be tougher if I just bought it or something, but nope. Now the pieces can live under here. There we go. Pieces can yeah. And yeah. Awesome. That was a short video. Sledgy got the job done. But yeah, we got really bad flooded. It came all the way up here, but the creek like overrun us, but it was nothing we couldn't fix by just waiting. But yeah, next week we're gonna make some bangers. And I have 2 minutes extra to spare, so why not just have some fun? And what I call fun is crashing beer cans. This thing has been building up for like nearly a year. This whole container's the progress of a year for me to crush. Yeah. Where should I put you, children? Can you see? Can you see what I see? I see. Alright. I'd say that's pretty good. Just move this chair. And crush! Oh God. Didn't very well hit him, but that's fine. There you go. For your pleasure. And that'll be it for the video. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
That's it for the video. See you, YouTube. Say bye.
Bye. Don't put me on YouTube.